Meaning of exploded.
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 Exploded. The term exploded typically describes a sudden and violent expansion or disintegration of something. The result of an explosion can cause extensive damage, destruction, or even death. When an object or substance explodes, it releases a significant amount of energy in the form of heat, light and sound, often accompanied by destructive force that can shatter, obliterate, or scatter its surroundings. In some cases, an explosion can also create a chain reaction, leading to further explosions and more devastating consequences. Overall, an explosion is a highly destructive event that can cause widespread chaos and devastation.